After your child is done with the note taking, we could fill out a who, what, where. Who, what, where, when, why, and how are the important information in the story, especially for a younger child. It focuses on the details. You might say, well, who is mother? And your child might say, oh, that was TJ and Beth's mother. Well, what was going on? What happened? Mother was very busy with her job and her family, and she also was busy because she needed to help with homework. When? The story basically takes place in the afternoon and in the evening of the same day. And where is that story taking place? Well, remember they had errands to do, and that was done in the neighborhood. And also the homework was actually done at home. Why was mother helping with homework? Because TJ asked for help. And how did mother help him? Well, she tried, but she couldn't get TJ to understand, and mother was frustrated. So those are the notes that your child has taken from the story, put it into a who, what, where organized form here, so a summary can be written from the who, what, where notes.